Hey guys, this is day 3 in Kashmir and today we are going to Pahalgaon and we'll stay there for 2 nights and then we'll come back to Srinagar and then we'll go to Gulmarg. It's a long trip. We'll tell you step by step that what we are doing and what we are not doing. Right now we are standing on the road because from the car from which we were going, its AC was not working, so we have to change the car. It will take half hour to come, so we are standing on the road right now. See, we all are standing on the road. So stay tuned. We'll meet you soon at Gulmarg. Hey guys, so now we have come to drink the special Kashmiri kahwa in the midway of where we are going, in the midway of Pahalgaon, and we have ordered it right now, and now we have come to the nearby shop to buy the saffron, the original saffron and the dry fruits which are famous here in Kashmir. So let's purchase. So guys, now we have come to Avantipura temple. मीन्स ये कह रहे हैं कि ये जो पांडव जो थे उनने ये टेम्पल बनाया था. इट्स बेसिकली अ रॉक टेम्पल. वहाँ पर मीन्स सिर्फ रॉक्स ही रॉक्स हैं. या इट्स बेसिकली अ रॉक टेम्पल. So let's go and I'll show you very shortly. See this is the Avantipura temple and it's 1100 years old. See this, and it was destroyed by the earthquake, that's why it became like. So guys, now we have come to see the Apple Valley, and now Pahalgaon is 35 kilometers away. So let me show you the Apple Valley. See, there are so many apples, but they are green right now. They are not red. Huh? See, there are so many apple trees. See this. They are not properly ripe till now. So let's go. So guys, we are at Pahalgaon finally, and now we are
going to horse riding.
Yeah, we'll be covering 4 points.
होटल देखते हैं, अपन आराम से बैठ के इसको एंजॉय करेंगे और खाना वाना खाएंगे. अच्छा.
Now we are thinking of going to the hotel back, and then we'll enjoy the sightseeing and the river flow. Here we go. See guys, after so much of discussion and confusion, now we have finally decided to do the horse riding, and here we go. See? Yay. कल जैसे एक आंटी टपकी थी. ओ मम्मा, इट्स टू रिस्की. यहाँ तो फिर भी ठीक लग रहा है अभी तो. ऊपर देखो, ऊपर और पत्थर ही पत्थर है. पूरा रोड ही ऐसा है. हाँ, घोड़े पे बैठे बैठे मुर्गी पकड़ो आप. आई मम्मी, ये ज्यादा झटके दे रही है. कैसा रोड है यार, पत्थर ही पत्थर. आई मम्मा, इसको
वो बॉडी बैक सर, वजन पीछे पीछे. हाँ, पैर आगे.
See the road guys. See?
बैठो आराम से. कुछ का सर रेली आगे आगे तो सर.
अरे मेरे वाले ने जंप किया अभी. See?
मारा लग बजा
ओ बाबा रे, कैसा रोड है, जाएंगे कैसे इससे? सी पापा इसके बाद जाके मसाज करवाएंगे। So guys, we have come to Baisaran and it looks like a golf course. See, it really looks like a golf course. Now we rest for some time. Then look at the sheep. Baby sheep. Yeah. Then we'll do the rest of the horse riding. See,
look at the
Chia.
theli. उधर देखो, उधर
See this. Sheep. Sheep. So now we'll rest. So finally we are done with horse riding and see.
पापा ने बहुत दीदी और पापा ने ना खुद के घोड़े को भगाते, मेरा घोड़ा भागता।
We enjoyed
पहले
a
मेरी
lot.
पीठ दुख रही थी, अब हिल हिल के मेरा पेट दुखने लग गया।
We enjoyed a lot.
फुल स्पीड में भाग रहे थे, फुल बिल्कुल।
दौड़ाने में जितना मजा आया ना उतना चलने में बिल्कुल मजा नहीं आया जितना भगाने में मजा आया। Means I was seriously dancing while horse was running. I left both of my hands and the horse was running like a hell. So I enjoyed a lot and it was so adventurous. I have added the clips you must have seen till now of the road and the rocks which were there from where we were going. Now we'll go to the hotel and rest for some time. Stay tuned and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment below our video. Bye.